I'm still Sandy.
Bro. Welcome to our
Hi,
vlog.
vlog.
Hi vlog. Hi vloggers. It's an exclusive of Backstage Baddies. Oh. It's an exclusive of Backstage Baddies because right now we're not backstage. We're at the beach. Isn't it beautiful? Wow. Look at how pretty the beach is.
Go there.
And yeah, we're here to be Backstage Baddies.
I
with
really
you.
want a smoothie.
Yeah, me too. I'm feeling smoothie.
Let's go get a smoothie.
Oh.
Berry, passion fruit, pineapple, coconut, guava, and chocolate. Oh my god, you can have chocolate smoothie? You want my pineapple? No, like
Sure. Oh.
Stop, that's so good.
Thank you. It's not cold.
You're joking.
Do you want me to lick it off you?
No, I'm good.
What do you rate your smoothie out of 10?
11.
Does your rating go down because it's a paper straw?
Yeah, because like paper straws are impossible. So it goes down to a 9.
Oh, 9. That's a lot. That's
only
like
2
2 whole
points down.
points. Where are we going, Gretchen?
And then we're going to the shop.
That's a fun word. Parrot. Oh my gosh, it is a parrot. Is that real?
Yeah.
Whoa, it's a bird.
He's very loud.
He is.
What?
It smells like coffee.
Chocolate. I really want Fruit Loops. They don't have Fruit Loops. That's not very
How do they not have Fruit Loops?
I don't know. They have Apple Jacks. Big Twigs, I forgot about that. I had a cold chocolate here last time. It was so good.
Her nail broke, you guys. RIP for her nail in the comments, y'all.
Should I make nachos?
Yes, you should make nachos.
Made with real cheese and milk. Wow. I don't like blueberries though.
I'll leave the blueberries out. But like that only
What
leaves you
else
with
is in
strawberries. Yeah, it doesn't leave you with much.
Question, is this or nachos?
Those are just very different things. Okay, heads is nachos, tails is this.
Heads or tails? Heads. I
Heads.
forgot which one was that.
Me too. Okay, wait, again. Heads, tails. Okay, remember that.
I'm gonna remember this is tails. You remember that.
Okay,
Heads.
okay.
Heads or tails? Tails.
So it's that, right?
I can't remember.
Okay, then obviously it's not gonna work.
Okay. We're gonna do eeny, meeny, miny, moe.
Okay.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by its toe. If you ever let it go, my mom says to count to.
22. 22.
That's so random.
22.
Okay. 22. 1, 2. Wait, no.
Can you
1,
count to
2,
22,
3,
Gretchen?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Then I really want the
Okay, then get nachos.
nachos.
Yay, let's go get nachos.
Should we pour it in the bag?
And like shake it up.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we should finish the vlog.
Is this salsa?
Wait, where can I put this? Like in here?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're putting the cheese, the nacho cheese, in this bag. Wait, show them the nacho cheese. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And we're gonna shake it up. Wait, I'm also gonna vlog with your phone.
Tell me when to stop.
I don't know. I just how do I know?
I can text it.
Oh yeah. That's just like not work out.
It's like only on the top.
Oh. And I can kind of feel the wetness. I'm so scared. Oh no, I'm so scared. Wait. Okay.
Wow.
So ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
I can't taste the cheese.
Yeah.
It's kind of just chips.
Like wet though.
Yeah. We're very healthy.
Mm-hmm.
I think we're the healthiest people on earth.
I'm pro mixed search, guys. Hi, Gretchen.
Hi.
Is it so...
Guys, my name isn't actually Gretchen, by the way. It's Savannah.
Nachos. We're so quirky. Oh my gosh.
I hate spicy.
Are they spicy?
If you get one of the big red chunks.
Close your eyes. Okay. So we have, wait, let me first introduce the game. We have 3 sugars right here. 3 different types of packaged sugars that I took from the store. We're gonna start.
That was such a good neck crack. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I did not appreciate that. Okay,
I'm
you
sorry.
can put it in your own mouth, but you just can't open your eyes. Okay. I feel like that would end in disaster if it was me putting it in.
Hello?
Yeah, I was like... Wow, you downed that thing. Okay, give me the wrapper. Okay. It's like open already, so you just have to like put it in your mouth. This one.
Oh, I hate that one. Okay. Oh, that tasted really bad.
Okay. Now it's time for this one. Next. Oh! What? It's making you cry. Yeah, you can open your eyes. She's spitting it out.
So nasty.
Okay, wait, which one was the best? The first one, the last one, or the second one? First one? Okay. Which one? Okay.
First one was blue.
Okay, first one was blue, she thinks. Which one was the next one? Okay. You got it right. Good job.
I know it because of the
Packaging. Yeah, I knew you were. Do you want the last sugar packet to clean your mouth out?
Mm-hmm. We have one more.
Oh my gosh, we have one more.
You can have the last one.
Okay.
The green one was actually so nasty. What the hell was that?
I thought the yellow one would be the worst because it's like 0 calorie
It
sugar.
tasted really weird. This one is also a 0 calorie. Oh, was this one a sweetener or a sugar?
I don't know.
These are both 0 calorie sweeteners.
Oh, sweeteners. That's why they're worse.
I never played
Like the tennis court.
with my grandma.
Oh yeah. Tennis happening. Hi, problem. Once ahead of the vlog. Hi. Let's see. Oh my gosh, there's the bathroom right now. It's so fancy in here.
It's so slender.
It is. Oh my gosh, it's so elongated.
Where did we go?
The pool or the beach?
I'll go to the pool.
We were just told there's fruit kebabs. There's nothing here. Is those dates?
I want to get a chocolate malt. Can we get a chocolate malt?
Yes. Oh my god.
Wow. Can we not walk through the beach? Because I have shoes.
Okay. Really?
Or north. Come on. Come and find them.
You can go there. I know.
We're also vlogging today, problem?
Yeah.
No.
Since mine are fluffy, no.
Wait, you think I can pet it? It's so cute.
Oh, that
It
one's
is.
easy.
That one's so fluffy.
Why?
It bites to its fault. What? What do you give it out of 10?
10.
Yeah. You're so preppy. Oh my gosh.
Delish.
There's golf. Okay, you guys, this is literally. Oh my gosh, there's 8-ball problem. This is like our games. Oh my
Game
gosh.
pitching in real life.
I know. Game pitch in IRL, you guys. Yeah.
Claire, it's not
What do you have to say?
I'm gonna win this game. Who do you think is gonna win?
They're so preppy and aesthetic and quirky and different and special.
That was so good. It's on the line. Okay, that means I get it.
Well, no, it's like not in. No, it's majority. In the one that we play in game page is majority, so that means it's not.
Oompa.
Okay, let's play.
Ba.
Let's all play.
Doompity doo. Tragic tale. Oh, my ears just popped.
Are you trying to hit that one or the one? To take this out.
I play 8 ball.
Do you have anything to say?
I'm so good at ping pong.
Don't buy my people.
Buy her feet pics. They're $400.
You should play Gretchen.
No, it's not right.
No, that.
No, because the yellow. Yeah. You guys don't know how to set this.
No.
Got it.
Wait, why is it so slanted?
It's for your tip.
Wow.
Jousting stick. Do you know what a jousting stick
Yes. You look psycho. Oh, yeah.
What did you say?
You're solid.
Yeah, I know.
God.
Clean up. I'm gonna clean up.
Whoa there, bud. Let's not be abusive.
Master skill right there. Wow.
We need to break this country.
Yeah, we really do.
This country.
This country. She got it in.
That's I'm so sorry.
Oh my gosh, she got another one in. Oh,
I can't believe I did that.
oh, cinema. Look at cinema.
Oh my.
Rage quitting.
Wow.
That was such a bad shot. Ew, I haven't played in like 5 years. Thank you. Really appreciate it. Yeah. Ew. That was so bad.
That should just move our stuff.
Oh no.
Oh my god. Wait, did you shoot twice?
No.
No.
Let me see the recording.
Are you after?
No.
Oh, that
In
was
the,
It's my turn.
wait, you got the 8 ball in before you put all your balls in, so
Yeah.
we win.
But that's not fair because
we win.
We're the winners.
We literally won. We're so good.